I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get good fruit from the first sea. To start, understanding fruit rarity is key. Legendary fruits provide significant advantages. You can reliably purchase fruits from the block's fruit dealer. Remember to check the dealer's stock every 4 hours, as new fruits become available regularly. This consistent checking increases your chances of finding a powerful fruit early on. Beyond the dealer, fruits can randomly spawn under trees across the map, appearing every 15 minutes. Keep an eye out for these free opportunities. Additionally, defeating powerful sea beasts offers a chance to acquire valuable fruits as drops. Engaging in quests and raids is also a great way to earn money, which you can then use to buy the fruits you desire. To maximize your chances, it's wise to save your in-game currency for those expensive, high-tier fruits that offer superior abilities. Trading with other players is another excellent strategy to acquire specific fruits you might be looking for. Furthermore, joining a reliable crew can provide invaluable assistance with challenging boss fights and raids, increasing your overall fruit acquisition rate. When building your fruit collection, focus on 1 or 2 strong fruits that complement your playstyle, rather than accumulating many weak ones. Experimenting with different fruits will help you discover which abilities you enjoy most. Remember, obtaining rare and powerful fruits often requires patience and persistence, so keep trying and exploring. Good luck on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.